Okay, now guys, I've been received a telephone call this morning. Guess what? It's the post office call. And then, what do I get? There it is. I think I know what inside is. It's been a while. I've been waiting for this. I think it's the grill for my Suzuki M109R. The first delivery was failed, and then the seller did try to send me the second time. Let's see what's inside. Wow. Wow, wow. Take a look at this guy. Chrome grill. Yep, there it is. M109R. I'm not trying to fix this by today, but I guess I'm gonna fix it by tomorrow. See how either it fit on my bike or sit on my bike. Will it look nice or not? Very nice, very nice. Hello guys, good morning. As I promised, the front grille has arrived yesterday. So if you can see here, we did show a cutting there, an emblem of logo M109R. Sure look nice. What I really don't like about this grill is that the cutting here is very, you see, it's moving. It's not that good. I think I'm gonna fix that, but I like the logo here. It's the M109R logo. So I'm now at the beach of the Taman Jubilee Kuala Blade. If you can see, I thought today is gonna be rain, but suddenly it shines back again, and the weather is very hot. Give your opinion about my new grill. Should I put it this aftermarket, or should I let it be the stock one from the factory? So which one will look nice? So let's see how it goes. So I think that's it, guys. Share your comments, your opinion about this grill. Click like, subscribe my channel, and click notification for more video of my bike. Okay, see you guys.